these in. That's our garlic. Now we need a little bit of salt and pepper.
I want to do it.
You want to do it? Okay. Come on up. You just need you to put some of that in here. Just a couple. That's good.
Salt.
Want salt?
It's their turn now. You had one. Everyone take turns, okay, Valdus?
Yep.
Is that your seat?
No, that's mom.
Find your own seat, Russell. That's the Garrett's seat. Russell, sit in your own seat, please.
Russell,
you wanna sit over here
next to me?
You want to
So
sit
you
with
just
Grandma?
need to pour this right on
Sit over
in.
here next to me.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
I will.
Good job, Valdus.
All right.
Come, sit
Sit
down.
next to me.
Okay, so you guys can laugh.
You ready, Valdus?
The ones over. We're gonna put a tiny bit of hummus on our crackers. Demonstrate. Then we're gonna cut our tomatoes in half. And then you're gonna, when you put it on your cracker, you spread it apart. Okay. Then
Yeah. Don't press it hard.
we're gonna
I'll
roast
take the dots of you.
our hummus.
Mom,
I'm gonna throw in a couple beets. Let's see how. And put the dot. And then I want you to drag it all the way into the corner, just like I showed.
Press it all the way into the corner. There you go.
Yeah.
And we got
And that
this.
was really,
What
really
is
good.
this?
Yeah. And then the walnuts, because it like ground
It
it
says-
ground down with it too.
Healthy.
It had like a hummus texture kind of like
Eater,
consistency.
yeah.
So there's like nutty, so it's different, you know. Yeah.
That's